Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change email address in Duolingo. It's pretty simple. You want to click on the person looking icon at the bottom right of your screen right beside the notification bell. From over here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. From inside setting, you want to click on the option profile, which is the second option. From over here, you want to click on where it says email. And once you click on email, you can remove your current email. So let me remove my current email. Once you remove your current email, you can put whatever you want. So I'm going to delete the current email I have and I'm going to write something new. youtube345@gmail.com. This is my new email. After my new email is set, I should leave it. Once it loads for some time, my email will be changed. Now I can go back and click on done at the top right corner to confirm the change, and my email will be changed. That is how you guys can change email address in Duolingo. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future Duolingo related videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.